Hey, welcome back to our channel. If you are looking for an easy way to digitize your forms and streamline data collection, then you are in the right place because in today's video, we will walk you through GoFormz, a powerful form building and data collection software that helps you create, manage, and automate digital forms. No coding required. We will cover everything from setting up your first form to collecting real-time data and maximizing efficiency in just few simple steps. Whether you are a total newbie or just getting started, this tutorial has got you covered. So let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to go to the official website, which is going to be GoFormz.com. From here, you have two options. You can watch the overview video, request a demo by clicking on the section right here. And all I have to do is provide all the information needed to request a demo of GoFormz. But I highly suggest you just have to click the free trial option, wherein it's kind of easy and straightforward. You just have to provide the email address, a strong and unique password, or to simplify the process, you can sign up using your Google account, Microsoft, or Apple. And then after that, you will be forwarded to this page wherein you will be asked, how will you use GoFormz? Is it going to be for personal use or for work? Depending on your preference. I'm going to use the second option. And then what will happen is you have three sections here for a client, for a team, and for yourself. Now I'm going to use the second option for our team. And then which of these tools would you like to use? Select all that apply. Now I'm gonna use Google, Dropbox, OneDrive, a Smartsheet, SQL Server, Salesforce, Box. And if you want to skip all of them, just click this button. But I'm gonna use the next section. And then you have a generous 14-day free trial of the advanced subscription, which is now active. All right, so you can do a lot of things here. Now, you can start collecting forms in just 3 steps, all of these. I'm gonna click the Explore My Account section because I will be forwarded to the main dashboard wherein we are going to familiarize ourselves with the interface. Now, GoFormz is a platform that allows you to digitize forms and streamline data collection. You would notice once you are on the homepage that it is structured into different sections that can help you manage digital forms, automate workflows, and collect data efficiently. The first section on the top corner is going to be the welcome section. This is going to be the dashboard or home screen you see when you logged in. It provides quick access to essential features. Right here, building a template, filling out forms. You can also start here by uploading your PDF, drag and drop customizable fields, test and publish your template, or build a template. Now, speaking of template, on the next section is going to be the template tab, wherein this is where you can create and manage form templates. All right. So we're going to click the build a template right here. You have two options. If you have a PDF, you are welcome to do it. You do so by clicking the yes. You can drag and drop or locate the directory to your computer or to your machine. Now, if you don't have, you can start from scratch by clicking this button. You will be forwarded to the template builder. All right. It's kind of easy because from here, you can rename the template right here by clicking the pencil icon. Click the section, drag a field from the left panel, which is going to be this one. All right. You can drag and drop all the fields that apply, a text, a drop down, checkbox, all of these. You can also put in the image wherein on the image, you can set an image here. And then you can rename the image right here and put a description. You can also change the date color. For example, this, like a red, and all of that. Border color is going to be something like a red right here. You see that? So these are highly customizable depending on your preferences, right? So you can be creative as much as you want, all right? And you're not limited with the choices. So these are going to be some of that. Now, going back to the page editor, if you have the field, you have also the page editor, wherein you can create a form for your template. The forms are a section that you can also explore, plus the workflows. But we're gonna deal with the forms section here. Now, the forms is something that contains all the information that has been filled out. Now, we're going to live without saving for now. We're gonna go back to the forms, because from here, again, similar to the option earlier, you can create a template here. If you click that, again, it would bring you to the section right here. All right. The public forms are the online forms that can be shared with people outside your organization. So you can speak with a specialist if you're not comfortable and you're not familiar yet. If you believe you're not confident to create a public form. But if you do, just click the create a public form. You can choose a template ideal for multi-use like surveys, questionnaires, or you can choose a form depending on your preference and goal. Now we're just going to use a form right here. You can choose a form. If you don't have, just go back here and choose a template instead. And you can go back if you don't find any results. If you go to the reports, this section allows you to analyze data collected from completed forms. All right. Once you have successfully created your forms, here it would automatically go here. You can generate reports, filter data, and export in different formats. You see, you can create a report here. And again, you need to do something like the public forms earlier so you can create the report. It's that. So they are integrated. Now, this next section is going to be the workflows, wherein you can use to automate actions based on form subscriptions. Now, you see, you have all these third-party applications that you can automate with GoFormz. You have the Google Workspace, OneDrive, Box, Dropbox, Twilio, and a lot more. Basically, it's up to you to explore. You have Procore, Smartsheet, Salesforce. Basically, there's a lot. SharePoint Online, SQL. Now, for example, you can use the email completed form, or you can send an email with a PDF copy of a submitted public form, or just click the email completed form. All right, you can kickstart here. Select your template. All right. And then go to the next section. Put in the email address if you have, and of course the message for the body. And then the final thing is go to the add step. For example, it's going to be Procore. Click on next and just follow with the on-screen instructions. But we're going to skip that for now because the last part is going to be the data sources. All right. So this one is going to be something that you can use to automate based actions, plus a central location for managing references, data use in forms. Here, once you have put in all the new folder right here, say for example, this is going to be our folder name. Click on save, and then you can now store lists, tables, or other structured data that can be used in drop-down menus or autofill fields. You have all of these options for you. Now, each of these sections plays a role in streamlining digital form management and automation. If you go again to, say, for example, you have tested the waters and you feel like that GoFormz is going to be a platform that your organization or company might use in the future. So you wanted to talk to your client or to your boss or to see your manager, supervisor. Once the 14 days has finished, you can now upgrade to the team, which is $24 per month, and you have all these perks and benefits that you can take advantage. API calls, unlimited form templates, and a lot more. Now, the advance is going to be a $48 per month. You have full featured workflows, tools, reporting, and cloud storage integrations. You have all of these. But if you wanted to scale up to enterprise, you might wanna, I highly suggest you talk to a sales professional so they can give you a tailored fit solutions to your needs, budget, and of course your goal. But again, you also have an option to chat in with a chatbot right here to see what we got. Type in your question right here. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.